So today I'm going to be quick cleaning the 3 bathrooms that we have in our house. I have a downstairs half bath and then 2 upstairs full baths. The one I'm in is the kids' bathroom, and then I have the master bathroom. So I'm going to show you how I do that, because when I quick clean them, it's because Fly Lady says just to swish and swipe them every day, and I do swish and swipe them, but 3 days a week I have to do more. I have 9 people sharing this bathroom in particular, let alone the 11 people that are using the one downstairs, and the master bathroom gets quite a bit of activity, especially when this one is in use and they need to go to the other one. So I really think that you'll benefit from just seeing how I quick clean it, and what I mean by quick clean, because I do it on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, or Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. It just depends on how the week is, and I have it planned out usually before I even start the week, so I know which days I'm going to clean what. I'll usually rotate one week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and the next week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. It just really depends on what's going on in my life. So today I'm going to start with the kids' quick cleaning. I already have my apron on. I'm ready to go. I'm going to clean it really quick, so I hope that you enjoyed this little video. Take care. Okay, so you can see this bathroom, at least what you can see of it in the video, is not a big, huge bathroom. And I have 9 kids sharing this bathroom, and it's very, very functional. Because of it, it's streamlined. There's very little that goes on in this bathroom other than the activity and the usage, whatever. But anyways, we're just quick cleaning this bathroom. So the thing I do, because it doesn't make sense for me to leave all the stuff on, I just remove everything that's on there. I don't even think about it. I just remove it. Usually I'm listening to music or a podcast or a YouTube video, whatever. Something that just helps me not have to focus on it, but I'm talking to you, so I'll just let you know what's kind of going through my head. I see I need to refill the Q-tip holder. So a lot of things were on that counter that don't belong, so I will not be putting them back there, and you'll see that. All I need is Windex or some sort of a window cleaner, paper towels, and Dawn dish soap or whatever kind of soap. A lot of times I'll just use like shampoo or 2-in-1 or body soap, whatever. I just give it a good squirt in the toilet. That's really what I use this for. So here we go. What I start with is I just spray the mirror real quick. I'm only going to do halfway. I don't need to go all the way up because there's not spots all the way up. On this one there is spots all the way up, so I'm going all the way up with it. And I'm just going to give this counter a real quick spray. And I vary whatever cleaners I'm going to use. Today I'm using Windex just because of simplicity. I do go ahead and take my Dawn dish soap and give it a quick swish in the sink because I know that it's going to need a little more. And then I'm going to go ahead and just wipe these down. Nothing fancy, just a quick wipe. While I'm doing it, I also wipe the light switches because it doesn't make sense to me to not clean those while you're doing that. And I just give the edge a quick wipe. I'm going to finish the mirror. I do the mirrors first because I don't want any goobers from the sink to get on the mirrors. So I just do those first. And that's what I'm doing right here. I'm actually thinking of some tunes in my head that I would be listening to normally right now. And since they won't let me post it on YouTube if I have them, you don't get to hear my peppy music. And like I said, this bathroom serves a lot of kids. It serves, but the thing is that most of them don't have this, they really don't have the same schedules. They really have a lot different schedules from each other. The adult children, they get up early and they go to work before 5 o'clock usually. And then the teenagers have to be to school around 6, or to seminary. Actually, they go to seminary first. So they get up early and they do seminary. I stay out of their way. I just let them do their thing. If I'm up, I say hello to them, but I pretty much just let them do it. They're independent of me. They don't need my help at all getting them ready in the morning. And then I'll go ahead and wash the sink out real quick. I just took that same paper towel. These are Downy paper towels. And I'll just wash all around the inside of that sink. And, I live in Nevada. There's a lot more dust here in Las Vegas than maybe in other parts of the country. But I have a lot of dust, so I my bathrooms require this, otherwise the dust gets too thick once a month when I come in to clean it. And then I save this to wipe down the nasty part of the toilet, so I just throw it there. Before I move on, I've got a full-length mirror here that I will give a quick spray for. Usually this process of this bathroom takes me about 5 minutes, but it might take just a few more since I'm explaining so many things. And then that's that. That one's done. And then I'll just give the toilet paper holder a wipe because they're chrome and you can kind of see that. Dust that, and then I don't see anything else that needs to be polished. I do see I want to wipe out this sink just a little bit better because I noticed there was a squishy toy that comes apart that the kids used in there. And then I'm going to take this same paper towel because it didn't have a lot of usage on it. I'm going to fold it around because I like to think I'm getting more for my money or something like that. And then I'm just going to give this Q-tip holder a quick wipe. And literally, my bathroom is so streamlined for my family because it doesn't require a whole lot of stuff. So I have that Q-tip holder. The toothpaste actually is supposed to be in the cupboard. You can look in there what you can. I just have toothbrushes. You're probably like this. On the door, I put these little, you know those command hooks that just have a little straight line, they just come out a little bit? I put those in here for the kids and it works really good. I also put them, I don't know if you can see in the cupboard, I have them down here and it works really good for the kids. They love them. I actually put them on both sides. There's only 2 over here, but that way everybody can reach their toothbrush and it gets it free off the counter because it's a very small counter and the kids are really supposed to be using it one person at a time. I have hand sanitizer because that's easy if you're just going potty, but if you need them to be cleaner from your other potty, then that's what the soap is for. And I see that there's some other random things that my kids, another toothpaste, a razor. This is my adult son's, his really shouldn't be in here. And this hydrogen peroxide for teething could also be in here. All the toothpaste can go in here, doesn't need to be in here. The little kids brush their teeth in 2 different places, in here and in there. Actually, I see the match to this down there in his basket. My little son has his basket underneath the sink. And then I have some lotion, some hair gel, some hairspray because the kids get ready themselves in here, and the kids' toothpaste. So this little toothpaste will just stay on the counter. It doesn't really matter. It's almost empty. I just roll it up, have it ready for the next use, and then go from there. There was a bar of soap that fell down in this laundry basket. There it is. And I just stick that on the other side for people because some kids like to use just the liquid soap and then some like bar soap. So I just like to have both options because I like both options. So that's it for the bathroom sink. Next, I'm going to take this paper towel that I used just for that mirror and the quick wiping, and I'm going to go ahead and spray it, and I'm going to give a quick dust up here because it takes me like 30 seconds to dust the towel and move the shells back. Okay, sorry I had to change my angle. It wasn't working right. So I'm going to just clear the area. And I've already sprayed down the commode and then all that. And I've got these 2 paper towels that I can use. And what I'm going to do is just take a few more paper towels and get this bad boy ready to go. And I'm just going to go real quick. Because this is called a quick clean. This is not a detailed clean. And this was just cleaned on Friday. And because I did Monday, Wednesday, Friday last week. And I did the swish and swipe on Saturday and Sunday, and it's already dusty again. So here I go, just giving it a quick wipe everywhere. I wiped the lid, I wiped the tank first and then the lid, and then I just wipe down here because I do it all the time. It's not that messy under here. Wipe under that. I flip the towel, remember I told you I like to save it, and I go ahead and grab the brush and I give it the wash that it needs. a little more than a swish and swipe because I'm going to just make sure everything's been washed correctly. But I'm not going to take more than a minute or two on it. And I'm going to go around the rim just to kind of break down anything that's there. Possibly throw my toilet brush back in there. I have some pine sol in the base. I change it once a week. And I just let it sit in there. It helps me feel like it's cleaner. I don't even know if it really is. Anyways, so I'm just wiping the top of this tank. Throw that away because I don't need it anymore. I'm going to go ahead and take this wet one that was left over from when we rinsed out the sink. Kind of washed it out. And I'm just going over this entire toilet with it. And I just do a real quick wipe around the whole base of the tank. And I don't know what kind of a tank you have or whatever, but I literally am just leaning over this, and I'm not going to take much time at all. I'm going to wash the floor real quick. Just give it a little wipe around the tank because, you know, with all these boys, someone's bound to be making a mess. And then I take this one that's mostly dry that I did for that second mirror and for the Q-tip holder, and I'm just going to wipe it out or wipe it down everywhere because that other one was pretty wet, not soaking wet, but pretty saturated. So I'm just going to make sure that there's not a lot of water just hanging around on here. And then it's kind of like polishing it at the same time. Just finish this side, and then I'm done. And you might think this is too much, and maybe you don't have to do that, but when you have a lot of boys, anybody that has a lot of boys and doesn't do this is probably having a nasty toilet. That's just the way I see it, and maybe I'm wrong. And then I found a nail that I'll take somewhere else. I'm going to wash my hands with the hand sanitizer. I'll do them again with soap when I go to the downstairs bathroom, but that's it for this one. It just doesn't take that long. I'll probably give the tub a quick check, and if it needs to be more than rinse, then I'll do that. So I'll check that out now. So now I'm going to do the quick clean on the shower, and I'm just going to take a look at it. And I can see it's not that bad. I can see a lot of products are down here. What I usually is grab those and throw them back on the shelf where they belong, because they don't really need to be down there in the kids' reach all the time. And I just take a little bit of that spray again, and I just spray those two places, and I just spray this rim. It's a little harder to spray because I noticed that it's running out. Whatever, who cares? And I just give this a quick wipe. When I'm doing like if I notice that the bathtub has a ring, then the next day that I come in here, which is usually 2 days later, I don't know what that is, usually 2 days later, I'll just make sure I bring a magic eraser so that it comes clean easier. And then I just wipe this bottom of the tub, make sure there's nothing in here. I can already see the sides are clear, but I just wipe them anyways because there's a little bit of moisture on the whites, and that's just dang good. And then I slipped a little bit when I was on the floor, which tells me there's a little water here from whoever last showered in here. And I'm going to just give it a quick wipe. Nothing fancy. I'm not going crazy. Sometimes I'll hit the base. Maybe you think that's crazy. I'll just wipe all the way down here. Now my baseboards are done. Did the floor right here, the edge, along the edge of the sink. And it's done. Alright, I look crazy, but all I gotta do is fix my hair a little bit, wash my hands, and this bathroom is totally done. That took 2 minutes. Worth it to me, because I'm doing it 3 days a week, 2, 4, 6, 8 minutes at the most, you know, and then even 10 minutes total to do this bathroom. Like, worth it, I think.